for another golden adventure. First thing in the morning, we're going to chart the flooded terrains of Cullin, Missouri. Try to get to work. Wish me luck.
Oh, they were trying.
What up? Hey, hold on! Oh man, they were just checking me out earlier. Hi, dear. Bye, dear. Alright. Round one. See where we're at. Got my boots on. If it gets past these boots, I ain't gonna be able to drive in it. I'm not sure. I'd be testing my luck, but I think I'd be okay. Right here. At like 3 or 4 miles an hour. The ground's still really hard underneath my feet. I'm actually coming back up a little bit. So I think we'd be okay right here. My pants didn't get wet. Shit. Man, it's too bad I didn't bring my pole, man. I could go fishing while I'm out here. This whole new lake. Alright, so in theory, water should only get up to about there, which is equal with about this. So it should be good. Alright, nope, put that back down. There we go. This is about as far as I walked out. Oh shit. That's okay. Just keep pulling to the left. I can't speed up. Speeding up don't really help none. So once you get good traction, you know, you're good. And once you go faster, you lose traction. So, slow and steady.
Just hit your brake.
Huh?
So just don't hit your brake.
Yeah, don't hit your brake. Yeah, for sure. Okay, so right here, let's slow down a little bit. I can see land up there, so I know we're good here. I want to take that side road, but that's going to be all mud.
Yeah.
And this curve up here is going to be the hardest part. Okay. Dum 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 dum. Dum 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 dum. Dum dum. Oh wait, hold on. Oh wait, I can't hit my brake. I can't hit my brake. Okay. Well, we're just gonna go for it. I did not check this one. Oh shoot. We're good though. Let's stay in the middle. Stay in the middle. See the land I'm shooting for. Can't increase my speed much. Oh, go this way. Go this way. There we go. Not that way. Stay in the middle. Stay in the middle. We're doing good. Stay in the middle. I see the land. I see the land.
Well, I think it's land.
I see it. It's land. I see land. Yep, that's land. That's land. Okay. We have landed. Alright, this is the part that's gonna suck. So this is the part I'm gonna get out and walk. Alright, we just gotta go at like 1 mile an hour. Stage 1 down. Okay. Oh, that one's good. Now, I'm pretty sure this one's good, but I'll get out and check because there does look like there's a little bit more current to it. And it might be like overflow or something. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this is good because we're all the way in it. And it's not even up. as much, but it looks like there's more flow over here. Oh, we're good. We're good. Let's just go ahead. We're good. Okay, this is absolutely terrifying. And if I do go to work today, they're gonna have to let me leave early because I ain't doing this at night. This is crazy. Goes all the way over there to the curve. And then I'd have to make a turn in this shit. I don't know. To be honest, I don't know. It's not that deep, but where does the ditch become a ditch? How far over? Okay. Okay. So in theory, if I stay about even with this mud right here, it should be okay. The road's pretty wide. Can't really see where the road is, but it's pretty wide. Alright, well, we're gonna try it. Because right here you can see this line goes all the way down. That's your ditch. As long as I can avoid that, I'll be fine. And then the grass line right over there. I'm gonna use this as a reference, just this side. Because it's taller. And that should be fine, but I do have to make a turn in this shit, so it's gonna be crazy. So in theory, when you walk it, all this grass right here, that's your ditch. So you got all that way to get over. Alright, and there's no real tips right there. So, kick it over to 4-wheel drive.
So where's the ditch?
Right here, you see the ditch, you can see it. It's all underwater. There's separation between the ditch with land. Where the grass is growing, that's where your ditch is.
Okay.
So we actually have a little bit of ways before the ditch. But got 4-wheel drive on. Cut to the left first, so we don't hit all of this crazy grass. And then come back slowly to the right. We're just gonna ease into it. Just steady, use both hands. Same thing.
All right.
Keep it going. Here I go. So the curve's actually clear, kind of.
For the most, yeah, for the most
For the most part, like that's good. Like if you can see land, you're good. If you can see land, you're good. So we are good. Alright. This part I can see a little bit of land in. What time is it? 7:12. I might be a little late. Alright, this is the part that always sucks. So, we'll see. Alright, hopefully this is the last challenge of the day. Sucks is it's deepest all the way down there.
Yeah.
Oh shit. So we need to add like, I'd say 7 inches on whatever the deepest part is I'm gonna walk out to. If it doesn't go, if it goes over my boots, we gotta turn around. Alright, so starting here, you can see the ditch line right there, so you can see it all the way. So that's helpful. Well, shit, all the way until the very end, actually. Fuck. To be honest, unfortunately, I don't think we're going to work today. You can look at this vegetation line. You can follow it all the way until it ends right here. Right here. And that means that that water is deeper than this vegetation. And that's also right where I turn. And I don't see any land up there. And right now, I'm sitting probably a foot of water. That means I add another foot. That's gonna put me right here. And that's up in my engine. I don't think I can do it. Fuck. I'm gonna have to wait one more day. I can't do it. Nope. I'm lucky I have a place I can turn around. Right behind my car right now. I can turn around right over there and go back the way I came. But there's no way. There's no way. It's not happening. And end's blocked off, 53's blocked off. So this was my only hope, but unfortunately I will not be going to work today. I'm sorry. Hey Tanya, this is Gavin. Just wanted to let you know I will not be coming into work today. I tried. I've gotten this far. Came through all that there. But I'm gonna have to turn around. I'm sorry. This actually gets about 8 inches, and then you can see the vegetation line way down here actually ends. And that means that it's like more than 2 feet deep right there, which is in my engine block. And that's where I have to turn to go to the bridge. They already shut down 53. They shut down in highway. So I was gonna take AA, and this is the only way that leads to AA. So unfortunately, I'm a sitting duck. I'm sorry, let everybody know I miss them. And you know, I kind of wish I was at work. This really sucks. So y'all try to have a good day, and I'll be here on my own little island, hoping that Donald Trump don't tariff my property. Y'all have a good day. Peace. Show's not over yet. I'm dragging pieces of my car, so I gotta get out and move all this dirt crap so I don't grab anything else. There we go. Now we're clear. Should be good. Wish me luck. Well, we didn't make it to work. We made it back through all of this. And we're about through this. And back home to another day on our own little island. Thanks for watching.